Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise, examples of exercise 11. Chapter Areas of Parallelograms and Triangles of class 9 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start for students. My first example of exercise 11 is example number 11. Okay, so 11 number example. A point O inside a rectangle. एक point है O inside a rectangle ABCD is joined to the vertex. Is joined to the vertex. Prove that the sum of the areas of a pair of opposite triangle. The sum of the areas of a pair of opposite triangles formed is equal to the sum of the areas of the other pair of triangles. Students, in this diagram, ABCD is a parallelogram. Sorry, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. A point O inside the rectangle. O point inside the rectangle. Join the vertex of the rectangle. So OA, OB, OC and OD को join कर दिया गया. And prove that कि the areas of a pair of opposite triangles. So to prove that area of triangle AOD, area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC, area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle COD. Okay. Students, prove that the sum of the areas of a pair of opposite triangles. So AOD and BOC is the opposite pair of triangles. Okay, and AOB and COD is the other pair of opposite triangles. So students, to prove that the area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle COD. Okay. Students, construction. Draw EOF is parallel to AB. Draw EOF is parallel to AB and MOL is parallel to AD. Okay. Draw construction में draw EOF is parallel to AB and MOL is parallel to AD. Okay students. So in this figure, चूंकि EOF is parallel to AB, EOF is parallel to AB and AD is a transversal, then angle DEF is equal to angle EAB equal to 90 degree. For student, because की angle A is 90 degree, ABCD is a rectangle, so angle A is 90 degree, then DEF is also a 90 degree. So OE is the perpendicular to AD, OE is the perpendicular to AD, and OF is the perpendicular to BC, and OF is the perpendicular to BC. Similarly, OL is the perpendicular to AB. Similarly, OL is the perpendicular to AB and OM is the perpendicular to DC. Okay. So students, area of triangle AOD, area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC is equal to AOD half into base into height. So 1/2 and base equal to AD AD और height equal to OE plus area of triangle BOC जो 1/2, base is BC and height is OF. Okay, half AD is common because की AD and BC are equal. For opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. So AD and BC both are the opposite sides of the rectangle. Then AD and BC are same side. Okay. So AD is common. OE or plus OF. Okay. So 1/2 multiply AD or multiply OE plus OF, that is EF. Okay students, and AD multiply EF. AD और मल्टीप्लाई EF. तो EF के जगह पर हम लोग लिख सकते हैं क्या? AB. EF के जगह पर हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? AB. So 1/2 multiply AD multiply AB. For students, चूंकि AD equal to BC and AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF. Okay. For 1/2 multiply area of rectangle ABCD. ABCD. Okay. This is equation first. For students, here area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC is equal to half area of rectangle ABCD. Okay. So now OL is the perpendicular to AB. OL is the perpendicular to AB and OM is the perpendicular to DC. Okay. So area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle COD. For students, 1/2 multiply AB, base is AB and height is OL, plus 1/2 multiply base is CD or height is OM. Okay, so half AB is common. Half AB is common because AB and CD both are opposite sides of the rectangle. Opposite side of the rectangle. So both are same. So AB equal to CD. Okay. So AB is common and OL plus OM. Okay. So 1/2 multiply AB or multiply OL plus OM, that is ML. Okay. And we write students 1/2 multiply AB and ML is parallel to AD, that is equal to AD. So we write 1/2 multiply area of rectangle ABCD. So students, this is equation 2. Here area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC equal to half area of rectangle ABCD, and area of AOD plus area of COD is equal to half area of rectangle ABCD. RHS is equal, then LHS is also equal. So hence we write कि area of triangle AOD plus BOC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus CO, area of triangle COD. Okay. Students, our next question is question number 17. In this figure, in the adjoining figure, PQRS and PABC are two parallelograms of equal area. Prove that QC is parallel to BR. Okay. So let's start for students. Solution. Students given कि area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelograms PABC. Okay, this is given. So this implies कि area of parallelogram PQRS minus PQRS minus PQOC minus area of parallelogram PQOC, okay, is equal to area of parallelogram PABC में PQOC माइनस कर देंगे, एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PQOC, okay. For area of parallelogram PQOC, subtract both side, okay. So students, area of parallelogram PQRS minus area of parallelogram PQOC, so remaining is area of parallelogram ORFC, okay. Area of parallelogram ORFC, okay, is equal to एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PABC माइनस एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PQOC। अगर इसको माइनस कर दिया जाए तो क्या बचेगा, QABO, एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम QABO, ओके। एंड स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ORFC and area of is equal to area of parallelogram QABO, okay. QB is the diagonal of area of parallelogram QABO and CR is the diagonal of parallelogram ORFC, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides a parallelogram of two equal triangles are equal in area, okay. So we write कि area of triangle ORC is equal to area of triangle CRS, then area of triangle ORFC को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि 2 into area of triangle ORC is equal to area of parallelogram QABO को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 area of parallelogram QBO, 2 एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल लिख सकते हैं क्या, 2 एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QBO, ओके। 2 इज कैंसिल, सो बी राइट की एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ORC इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QBO, ओके। एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QBO, area of triangle ORC is equal to area of triangle QBO. So students, now area of triangle OBR is adding on both sides, okay, OBR. So this implies area of triangle ORC plus area of triangle OBR, area of triangle OBR is equal to area of triangle QBO plus area of triangle OBR, area of triangle OBR, okay. OBR adding on both sides, okay. So students, area of triangle ORC और प्लस OBR दोनों को ऐड कर दिया तो हमारे पास ट्रायंगल क्या आया, ये वाला क्या हो जाएगा, CBR, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CBR इज इक्वल टू QBO में OBR ऐड कर दिया तो हमारे पास ट्रायंगल क्या आया, ये वाला QBR, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QBR, ओके। फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CBR इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QBR, CBR and triangle QBR are being on the same base BR, and equal in area. Okay. Students, we know that the two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, lie on the same parallels, are equal in area. For students, both triangles are equal in area. Equal in area. Area is equal. This is given, and both triangles lie on the same base BR. Then we say that कि BR is parallel to QC, क्योंकि दो ट्रायंगल सेम बेस और सेम पैरेलल लाइन के बिटवीन में लाई करेगा तभी दोनों का एरिया आपस में इक्वल होगा. अब दोनों का एरिया आपस में इक्वल है और सेम बेस पर है, इसका मतलब है कि QC इज पैरेलल टू BR. देन वी राइट कि QC इज पैरेलल टू BR. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. इन द adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and P and Q are the 2 points on the side AB and BC. P and Q are the 2 points on the side AB and BC respectively. Prove that area of triangle CPD is equal to area of triangle AQD. Okay, so let's start for students solution. Students, in this diagram, triangle CPD, okay, and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base CD. ये CD बेस पर ही ट्रायंगल CPD है और CD बेस पर ही ये पैरेललोग्राम है क्या, DABC या ABCD. ओके, तो ट्रायंगल्स एंड पैरेललोग्राम, ट्रायंगल CPD एंड ट्रायंगल्स ट्रायंगल CPD एंड पैरेललोग्राम ABCD आर ऑन द सेम बेस CD and between the same parallels and lie between the same parallel CD and AB. Okay, then we know that the area of triangle is half area of parallelogram. Okay, so triangle CPD and parallelograms ABCD being on the same base CD, and lie between same parallels CD and AB. Then we say that the area of triangle CPD half area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, this is equation. Students, we know that कि a triangles and a parallelogram are lie on the same base, being on the same base and between the same parallels, then we say that the area of triangle is equal to half area of the parallelogram. Okay, so and now students, area of triangle AQD, and parallelogram ABCD, DABC, area of parallelogram DABC being on the same base AD, same base AD, AQD and DABC are lie on the same base AD, being on the same base AD and between same parallels AD and BC, then we say that area of triangle AQD is equal to half area of parallelogram ABCD. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, RHF is equal, then LHF is also equal. So hence we say that the area of triangle CPD is equal to area of triangle AQD. Okay. Thank you.